coordinator in terms of journalism. I did campus journalism for 33 years. I already produced so many outstanding campus journalists in the whole Philippines. That includes my one daughter, no? Outstanding campus journalist, studied at PhilSci and SpedISEC. Presently, I am the Vice President of the National Association of School Paper Advisors and the Regional Treasurer of the Regional Association of School Paper Advisors. You can ask me questions related to RSPC and